One of our major machines that we use is wheel loaders, and the reason why we use them is they're so flexible. Between the different attachments with boom bars and forks and brooms and the different styles of buckets, and between a wheel loader and an excavator, there's really nothing that you can't build on the job. They're just so agile and flexible on a job site to be able to get done what we need done, whether it's loading trucks, whether it's carry and haul. So we have less maintenance on the brake systems than we used to, which is really important in the mountains because we're going up and down hills all the time.
Caterpillar is definitely durable. I've put it to the test myself. I've beat up some machines before in my day.
We really love what they're doing with visibility and improving everything from an operator standpoint to making it more simple for an operator to get in, more intuitive, more safe. And we're finding that the wheel loaders in particular are very easy now to train new operators in.
Cat's top of the line. You can't beat a cat. If it ain't a cat, it's a dog.